Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devashri Roy, and just one day ago, which is yesterday, I was going through my collection in the library and was seeing how many books I've collected, and out of them how many I've read and how many I liked and how many I did not like that much. So बस वही देख रहे थे, and in that I found some books which really meant to me, and I've read them so many times. You may call me crazy, but yes, it's true. That even if I read it way too many times, I won't feel bored. So let's start with my book suggestions today. And I would suggest them to you to read it. And trust me, this is my suggestion, you'll love it. First book is Anne Frank, The Diary of a Young Girl. This book is a really nice book, and how I came to know about Anne Frank. I came to know about Anne Frank during my school times. We had her diary pages in our book, with English book, and it was that chapter entitled Anne Frank's Diary. So when I read it, I found it so interesting. I wanted to know more about her. And so I had to wait till the summer, when I get my result, and so my mom had promised me to gift me something, and I asked for this book. So we went to the bookstore nearby us, the Universal Big Book Depot in Civil Lines, and I selected this book, Anne Frank's book. The book encloses the story of how the World War II went, and how the Jews were punished for nothing, and how they had to go into hiding, and how it was troublesome for them, all that scary times, and even in those scary times some little funny points. And so this is that collection. In my suggestion, trust me, buy this book and I'm sure you'll thank me later. Next book is, remember I told you in my last video that I won the political science debate and the first prize was a book on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Well, here it is. झोपड़ी से राष्ट्रपति भवन तक, राष्ट्रपति अब्दुल कलाम का जीवन व उपलब्धियां. The author is Mr. Kulshrestha. It's Mahendra Kulshrestha. This book is really nice and inspiring, and I know Dr. Kalam, that person himself, was an inspiring person for this nation, and it's really sad to losing a gem like him. But then yes, this book is so wow, such a good book that yes, this should be in your library if you have one. And with the best compliments, this is my that cover fell down. Anyway, with best compliments, Dr. Ashima Ghol and Dr. E.J. David. Now what can I say? I won the first prize. This book showcases how when he was a child, he was a fisherman's son, and they were really poor, and even though being poor, this person really loved education and his passion for science, and that led him to grow up and become such a good president of our country. Next book is a chicklit book, and after that book I became a fan of this author, Sophie Kinsella. This is the first book I bought of her written, 20s Girl. This book is so funny and so intriguing, you'll just fall in love with this book at once. Believe me, you will. And this 20s Girl book depicts two meanings. First, the heroine of this book, Lara Linton, she's in her 20s, and the ghost who she meets, even she's from the 1920s. So now it's up to you, who's the 20s girl, Lara or Aunt Sadie, the ghost? And next, in fact, this Sophie Kinsella and this one, these two books I bought from saving my pocket money. This Trisha Ashley's book, this made me think, why should I buy it? This title, The Little Tea Shop of Lost and Found. This made me think, The Little Tea Shop of Lost and Found, interesting. And so I bought this book. This book is practical, down to earth and funny, all mixture. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed my video, then go and hit the like button. And yes, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And then I shall meet you very soon with my new video. Till then, stay home, stay happy, stay blessed. Toodoo.